here today at the Machining Center division of Ace Designers Limited in Bangalore, and joining me here today is Mr. Muralidhara Rao, Director of MCD Ace Designers Limited. So I would like to know, as MCD is known to be the largest CNC machining center producer in the country, could you run us through the products table that is there to offer?
Yeah, thank you very much. Ace Designers Limited, Machining Center Division. We are the largest producer of CNC machining center in India. We have maintained our supremacy for last almost 2 decades. Having said that, we have 70 different types of products in our offering. We categorize into the high volume HVMs and the premium, the second category, and the third category is the tooled up. The very important part is, we are a dominance with the production of the machining centers, and we are offering around 3,000 plus machines. Every month we produce around 300 machines here, and 3,000 plus machines are being sold every year, and that's why we are the largest in the country.
Now that we've got an idea on the extensive portfolio of products manufactured here in MCD, could you tell us about the engineering capabilities?
The engineering strength we have offered at the Machining Center Division nearly 6,000 engineered solutions to our customers. The jigs, the fixtures, we take the complete turnkey projects. Automations can be given along with these jigs and fixtures. So the segment where around 15% comes from the premier products, and also around 10% of our products come from the tooled up solution, where we take the component and give the complete manufacturing solution to our customers. And that's where we get a lot of satisfaction when we give solutions, not the product. This factory on a 10-acre plot, we have got a capacity to produce up to 3,400 machines. And having said that, the new facility that we're going to offer, we have got around another 50 acres, just 30 kilometers from this particular place, where we are going to set up around 4,500 machines capability of the infrastructure. So what we anticipate is Machining Center Division ADL is going to produce around 8,000 machines by 2029. In this factory, what you can see on either side is a line assembly, where the high volume, the HVM products are produced on the line. We have 4-hour line, we have 8-hour line. Actually, we have 5 different lines where we nearly around 70% of our products are being rolled out on the line. And the premier products, we do it to the dedicated team and the tooled up solution that needs for the engineering skill of the highest order. A sophisticated team is there to take care of that. And that's what about. So it means ADL MCD is looking and aspiring to make 8,000 to 9,000 machines by 2030, auguring to the growth of the manufacturing sector in India.
So just to steer the conversation in a different direction, as we know, EMO Hannover 2025 is an upcoming global trade fair. On that note, can you tell us what distinguishes the machines that Ace Designers will be displaying at EMO this year from other global competing machines?
I think reliability, productivity are the two important things which are going to dominate and is going to make the key drivers for us in the European market.
Ace Designers Limited will be exhibiting at the upcoming EMO Hannover 2025 exhibition, where they will be exhibiting their reliably productive machines.